Hello and welcome to 90 Plus tutorial. My name is Olanre Oluwaseun Gabriel, popularly known as Dr. Hydro, and I'm a medicine and surgery student of the prestigious University of Ibadan. So forget about the hype actually. So our aim is to make sure that school of your choice, that course of your choice, those dreams of your choice are fulfilled. And basically what we'll be doing in this channel is what admission tips, educational content, motivational video, and medical school blog. Of course, I'm a MedFluence and I'm the face behind Entertainment TV. It's actually a WhatsApp TV and we post premium medical meme, educational and funny content. So if you wish to join, I'll put the link in the description below. It's exactly 2 months and few weeks to 2025 Jamb examination, that is the UTME. So in this video, I will be showing you how I was able to smash 300 plus with just 2 months preparation. Yeah, I had 318. Yeah, 318. And mind you, this video is not to make you have 318, but to make sure that you do not have any score below 318. And so far, you're going to watch it to the end and subscribe. You have smashed 100 plus already. So once again, my name is Dr. Hydro, and I will walk this 2025 admission journey with you. So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and enemy. Normally, I will not advise you to use 2 months for UTME preparation, because over the years, as in my previous UTME, I spent 3-4 months to prepare for UTME, and guess what? I could not make 300 plus, and that's what makes some people say it is impossible to smash 300 plus with just 60 days of preparation. Well, for the fact that I was able to do it, even if we just start reading after finishing this video, you will still smash 300 plus. So you have to follow these tips carefully and subscribe. Actually, when I was a frustrated young customer, my plan was to use like about 6 months to prepare for that UTME. That by the time I will be writing, I will smash 360. You know how is it now. But something came up and it shortened my 6 months to 2 months. So if you want to know what came up, just write in the comment section that I want to know, and I will plan on making a video on it. The number one thing you need to do if you want to smash 300 plus within the space of 2 months is what? Proper planning. Yes, proper planning, not just anyhow planning, because some plans are plantain. Yeah, so you need proper planning. So when I woke up that day and boom, 2 months to UTME. So I was like, hey, how do I study? So what I did is that I made a plan. So proper planning is the most important thing. No, proper planning isn't the most important thing. Proper planning is the number one thing you have to do if you want to smash 100 plus within the space of 2 months. So I made some plans. So the number one thing I will talk about proper plan is what? Time management or right timing. Time management or what? Or right timing. So when I woke up that day and I have 2 months UTME, now I was like, okay, I have 2 months. How do I read? In a way that I will still be able to cover same thing I will cover if I spend like 4 months to prepare. So I was like, okay, now when I used to read for 3 months, 4 months, I used to read for not less than 7 hours a day. But now I have just 2 months. How about I start reading for something for not less than like 15 hours? That was what I did. So I find the time that there's no how it's going to be. It will still produce same effect and results that my reading for 4 months will produce. So that's how I started reading for like 15 hours. So you can be the kind of the bookworm, the very smart type of person that on a normal day you read for like 5 hours. How about you start reading for not less than 10 hours, 12 hours? So you have to set and manage your time well in a way that no matter how bad it is, it will still produce same effect, if not 100%, at least 85 to 90% of your reading for like 3 to 4 months. So another thing I will say under what time management is, under what proper planning is, right study approach. Right study approach. Yes, you need the right study approach if you want to smash 300 plus within the space of what? Of 2 months. No, don't forget I said when I used to read for like 4 months, 3 months, I spend nothing less than 7 hours. Now I have 2 months and I plan to read for 15 hours a day. So back then, I used to read like 2 to 3 subjects every day. But now that I have 2 months and 15 hours, I made sure that I touch every single subject. All those 4 subjects, I make sure that I read them every single day. I on no account must you be doing read maths today, read chemistry tomorrow, read governance tomorrow. On no account must you be doing one subject per day and you have 7 days in a week. If you plan on doing this, I'm not sure if you're actually preparing for this UTM, maybe you're preparing for the coming one. So you have to find the right study approach. You must make sure that all those 4 subjects that you are reading, you must read them every single day. Don't be doing one per day. And thank God we're actually reading for what? For longer hour. So for you to be able to smash 300 plus within the space of 2 months, you need what? The right study approach. You need the right study approach. Study smartly. Do it for someone that has like 4 months now, the person can be flexing, right? But you that you have just 2 months, you have to what? Study very hard, and you have to what? Study smartly. You have to go harder in a very smart way. Because if you are not smart enough, the smarter one will displease you. Of course, smartness itself is the result of an hard work, and we have different kind of smart people. We have some set of people called the smart. You know that they are not smart, they are just a little below being smart. And we have some set of people, they are so smart that if they can give you just one verse, the trending of that your song is sat. How can you study in a smart way? How can you what, be smart with your studying? For example, a medicine and surgery aspirant, your goal is to what, smash 100 plus. Now, you have some topic that even if they wake you like this and ask you any question, you will get them. Like if they just wake you out of your sleep, oh yeah, what's this thing? You will surely get them. I know you have some topic that or more, it gets be. You have to separate them. There's some topic that once you read them now, you will understand, you assimilate it easily, and it will just stick to your head. And you also have some topic that if you read it today, in the next 3 days you would have forgotten. You have to separate them. Those set of topic that I know that if you read it today, before the next 3 days you would have forgotten. Those are the kind of topic you will read few days to your exam, like few weeks. Not the one that you will be reading a topic like 5 to 7 times before the exam. Let me tell you something. If you have just 2 months, if you have the space of 2 months to prepare for this UTME, you dare not read the topic twice. Open your Idodomain biology, count the numbers of pages. Open your new school chemistry, count the numbers of pages. Open your physics textbook. Physics itself is just it's two subjects. We have the calculation aspect and the theoretical physics. So if you plan on finishing all the whole material like in just 2 months, you dare not read the topic twice. So those topics I know that it will take time. You have to read them over and again before you understand them. Those are the kind of topics you will read few days to your exam. You have some topic that once you read them, it will not stress you. And you have some topic that once you read them like this, you will not understand. You have to watch videos. You have to seek for help. You have to seek help so that they can teach you and put you through. So those kind of topic, that once you read them, you understand them easily. Do not waste time on them. Channel the time and effort, the time and energy towards studying all those topics that I know that they require your maximum concentration. You have to watch video and do all those things before you can understand them. So you have to be smart with studying. So another thing I talk about studying smartly is what? Past question. If it's for someone that has like 4 months or that have been preparing 2 to 3 months before you start your preparation, the person can actually devote 3 weeks to 1 month to studying past question. But you just have 2 months, right? You have like 8 weeks, and you want to devote 3 weeks out of 8 weeks to studying past question. Well, make your past result, no question, your present result. See why it take you like that. So it's not that you're not going to study past question, but you will not focus on studying past question. There are some topics that you know that once you read them, you understand. There's no how they want to twist the question. There's no where UTME or Jamb won't carry you go. You surely get them right. You don't need to disturb or stress yourself on studying past question on those kind of topic. But there's some kind of topic that all those topics that I get at and those are the aspects we focus on past question. I have topics like that too. So once I'm done reading them in my textbook, I will open my past question to solve question under them. So that's how I practice what I have learned. So solving past question just make me master them, and it just augmented what I read in my textbook. So it's not that you are not going to solve past question, but you will not focus on studying past question. So you have to study very smart, because you just have to know that we just start about finishing this video. You are different from someone that has been reading for the past 4 to 3 months. So another thing I want to say, or another thing that you have to do, if you want to smash 200 plus within the space of 2 months, is what? Join groups. But joining this group, there are actually something about this joining the group and what? Brainstorming. Yeah, brainstorming. Brainstorming is actually good. But you have 2 months. Now, for example, you just finished reading Work, Energy and Power, right? You've read Work, Energy and Power. You've understood it, right? You understood it well. You saw past question. Now you came online, you saw them brainstorming on. So you saw them brainstorming on that same Work, Energy and Power. Now you have projectile that you have not read. You have wave that you have not read. You have reproductive system. You have nervous system that you have not read. But now you saw people brainstorming on that Work, Energy that you have read and understood. Then you join them. And the funny thing is that those set of people that you are brainstorming with, they have been reading for the past 2 to 3 months. That wave, that projectile, that nervous system, that reproductive that you have not read, they are done with it already. So it's not that you're not going to brainstorm, but brainstorm with sense. So precious, you are running out of time. So do not waste your precious time doing what is not precious to you at that moment. So you have to be smart with everything you are doing. You have to be smart with everything you are doing. So why did I not ask you to join group when I don't really support brainstorming? So join group, observe. I could remember like I wrote my exam on the third day. Yes, I wrote my exam on the third day. So there is some group I was then. Those my friend or those group member that wrote their own on day one, day two, they dropped some question. So anytime I take a break from reading, I will come online, check those questions, know the answer. Let me tell you something. By the time I will be writing my own exam on the third day, at least I saw like 2 to 3 questions from the past batches that came out. So join group, observe, make friends. So by the time they commence the exam, once you come online, don't just see that question and neglect them. So try to know the answer, because you can be fortunate to see some in your what your exam. Let me tell you something. If it's just one that you see, a question can make you what be above your cutoff mark, and missing a question can make someone what miss what admission. So you have to join group, but don't just join group. Join group what with sense. Understand every single thing you come across. Every single thing you come across. Understand every single thing you come across. When I wrote my first UTM, I had 54 in chemistry. When I wrote the one that got me into medical school, I had 91 in chemistry. There are some things that I did not know during my first UTM that I now understood before my last UTM. Someone that got 220 and someone that got 320, one obviously know than the other. It's not luck. So make sure that you understand every single thing that you come across. That's how I studied. I studied with the mindset that I don't want to miss any question. I don't want to miss any question. And in the end, like at the end of the day, we end up having 90 plus, 80 plus. That's how it happens. So if you study with the mindset that you don't want to miss any question, so every single thing that is in that material, you have to study, you have to understand them. So study with that mindset that you don't want to miss any question. So and the last thing I'm going to add is what God factor. God factor. If you are doing anything and you are not adding God to it, now you know. But God is the most important thing. Yes, God is not the number one thing. If you want to smash 300 plus between the space of what 2 months, God is not the number one thing, but the most important thing. Proper planning is the number one thing, because you have to what even help those who help themselves. You have to have helped yourself before you can be confident of what of God intervention. Because if you are praying and you are not reading, it's just like you are using God to play. That's it. So you must have what study what well. Then you can now be confident that yes, I have God help. Because it's only God that can make the right opportunities, make our preparation. So God is the most important thing, but not the number one thing. So it's not the one that you now abandon reading, then you now be going to mountain to pray. So that's why I say God is not the number one thing, but the most important thing. So before you can start calling on God, yes, God, come and bless what I've read, you must what first what finish your own part. So he said he will what bless the work of your hand, but you are an handicap. I'm not capping shit too, but I'm not sure you truly deserve this matriculation cap. And let me add this bonus tip before I leave. Don't be deceived by what Jamb syllabus. Don't be deceived by Jamb syllabus. Study every single thing you come across, everything that your textbook. Some topics that is not even in the Jamb syllabus that Jamb will ask you. So don't be deceived by Jamb syllabus. Once again, I'm what Dr. Hydro, and I will work this 2025 admission journey with you. So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends and enemies. And if you wish to join the community of my students, I put a link in the description box below. Thank you.